The Dredger XAM 2500 has a USB infrared interface to connect the instrument to a PC. As soon as connection has taken place, PC appears in the device's display. You can now transmit or read out data. You can also change settings and alarm thresholds by using the CC Vision software, which can be downloaded from the device's product webpage at www.dredger.com. You must carry out a bump test of your Dredger XAM 2500 in accordance with the national regulations and guidelines in force. The bump test serves to check whether the gas inlet is blocked, whether the sensors respond to gas, and whether the alarm elements are triggered. Place the switched-on instrument inside the calibration cradle, where it will be recognized automatically. Gas now flows automatically over the sensors and the alarms are shown. If the bump test passes, OK will flash in the display to show that the bump test is now complete. If a functional test does not take place correctly, a channel error is shown for the sensor or sensors. The device will have to be calibrated and possibly repaired. You can also carry out a bump test with a Dredger X-Dock station. Place an instrument inside the module. When you do so for the very first time, the Dredger X-Dock recognizes the device and logs it in its integrated database. The LED strip flashes blue. When the LED changes to green, the test has been completed successfully. The X-Dock screen also turns green. Touch it to obtain additional information on the test results.